The Morgan Report with David Morgan.
Hi, David Morgan with you for Money and Metals for the week of October 1st, 2016. Have not done one of these in a while. On the currency markets, I've just got two things to say. One is the IMF/SDR special drawing rights. The Chinese yuan will become part of that over this weekend, and lots of commentary on that. I will reserve mine. I have commented on it, and it is in the latest Morgan Report that gets issued this weekend as well. Certainly, China deserves to be in the basket of currencies, and what will happen with the SDR remains to be determined. Jim Rickards is probably leading thought on that. And speaking of Jim Rickards, the other part of the currency markets that we should talk about is a recent update that he did, and he makes a very strong case for a much stronger Russian ruble. And I tend to agree with almost everything he has to say on that market. Moving over to the precious metals, there's been a pretty high level consolidation for gold and silver. Gold doing better than silver at this point in time, which means gold is holding above the 1300 level USD, and silver is under the $20 level. In fact, it looks like it's having some difficulty in getting above it. The gold-silver ratio has favored gold here recently, meaning we're back to about a 71 ratio. And most of my website members know my exact updates, but I think that we are going to see further consolidation and, believe it or not, probably more downside pressure. Even though the main fact that I can give you for this update is that the open interest in the gold market is about double where it was a year ago. But I think most players' hands are played, meaning I don't think there's much new interest in the gold market, even with all that's going on in the financials. And I'll wrap up with this. Deutsche Bank was up about 14% on Friday. Most of the banking ETFs bounced off support, and many of the banks bounced off support. I think we are going to see the banking sector gain some strength here. The Banking Boys Club will probably weather this out for a few more weeks, and if that is true, probably see a little further pressure on the precious metals. I'll be back with you in the not too distant future.